harvesting and storage of food grains. Now let us learn about two important techniques involved in crop production: harvesting, storage of food grains. Harvesting is the process of cutting the crops after they are ripe or mature with the help of a hand tool like sickle or a harvester machine. In the harvested crop, the grain seeds need to be separated from the chaff. This is done by two methods. Threshing. It is the process of beating piles of cereal stalks on a wooden plank to separate the food grains. Winnowing. It is the process of separating lighter chaff from heavier grains by dropping the threshed stalks from a height. This allows the wind to blow away the lighter chaff while the heavier grains fall straight down. Once the crops are harvested successfully, the next step for the farmer is to store and keep those food grains safe in gunny bags or in grain silos. Here, pesticides, insecticides, and fungicides are used to protect the crops from rodents and other harmful microorganisms. Once the gunny bags are filled with food grains, the mouths of these bags are stitched lightly and then they are kept one over the other in big godowns. Grain silos are tall metallic cylindrical structures which are filled with food grains given their structure. These grain silos are used for large-scale storage of food grains. Even though they are stored well, the crops are not safe from rodents and other harmful microorganisms. So, pesticides, insecticides, and fungicides are used in the grain silos and granaries to keep them protected from harmful pests and insects. Traditionally, we have been using dried neem leaves to protect the food grains mainly stored at home. Neem leaves act as homemade insecticide and pesticide.